Today's short video is intended to give you a glimpse into how the Poultry Hawk is installed by Innovative Poultry Products. The self-propelled trailer acts as a movable platform and transports the rail, brackets, hardware, and tools. The installation team first secured the brackets to the ceiling trusses before coming back through to fasten the rail into place. At the end, the trailer must be maneuvered to head in the opposite direction. The end sections of the loop system take more work to make sure they fit together properly. Corner pieces are put into place and shorter rail pieces are cut to fit the remaining gap. Extended brackets are hung from the middle at the ends of the house. At the curtains, removable pieces of rail are secured so that the curtain can be lowered when necessary. With the rail in place, the Poultry Hawk is ready to be installed. The Poultry Hawk is placed on the track and tested to ensure it is working properly and that there are no bad spots in the rail system. If you have any questions about Poultry Hawk models or rail system configurations, please don't hesitate to call or email us. This information is also listed below in the description.